Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ching, and you guys, it's about 2 million degrees in Las Vegas, so I'm really happy to be indoors. I'm going to show you Sam's Town Hotel and Gambling Hall. I'll show you my room, the casino floor, all their restaurants and bars, and their major attraction, which is the Mystic Falls Laser Light Show. Let's go check out the room. Okay, here you guys, walking in. This is a premium 2-queen non-smoking room. So this is also a Boyd gaming property. So I've done quite a few staycations. So you'll find that it looks really similar to the other ones. So here we go. I will put the price on the screen. I actually have a view, which I'll show you in a moment. Here's their TV. They actually have a lot of drawers. There's 6, oh wow, there are 8 drawers. In here you'll find the safe and the refrigerator. Let me walk into the bathroom. And really simple bathroom. Not huge, not small, just right. The rooms are a little dated, but not bad. This one actually has a bathtub. I have a view today, you guys. I have a view of the Mystic Falls indoor kind of garden. And there's gonna be a laser show at around 6 p.m. So I'm gonna go down and show you guys. Let me turn around and get this angle for you. Let's check out the Mystic Falls Park and Laser Light Show both by day and night. There are 2 different vibes that you must see. The 25,000 square foot glass roofed atrium is surrounded by hotel guest rooms, restaurants, and shops. There are a couple of paths you can walk on, and you'll be surrounded by real trees, plants, and ponds. You'll also hear chirping birds in the trees and encounter animatronic forest creatures like a bear and wolf. There's a marked difference between day and nighttime. Let me know which one you like better. The best seat in the house to watch the show is at the Ram's Head Bar. It directly faces the waterfalls. You guys, can you see the waterfalls behind me? I am waiting for the laser light show to start. I don't know what's supposed to happen, but I'm excited. There's like eagles up there and a huge bear. There's a wolf way up there. There he is. Sam's Town is a really huge property. There are so many things to look at. They have a bowling alley, a movie theater, a bingo hall, and of course a fitness center and a pool. We better get started. Let's go. In the Mystic Falls Park, you'll find a small food hall with fast casual options like Panda Express, Roberto's Taco Shop, and McDonald's. There's also a small sitting area there where you can eat. Not far from the food hall is their contemporary American steakhouse called the Angry Butcher. On the casino floor, you'll find TGI Fridays. They have some really great happy hour specials here. The Sports Deli for sandwiches and salads, Subway, Dunkin' Donuts, and Crazy Corn and ice cream. They also have a snack bar at the bowling center. And speaking of bowling center, let's go check that out. Their bowling lanes are open 7 days a week and have 56 lanes with automatic scoring. They even have bumpers if you're playing with young kids and a cocktail lounge.
There are 3 levels to the casino, and on the second floor is the bingo room. They have 7 sessions held every hour from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Take a break from gambling by watching a movie, or better yet, cool off in their pool. It's really peaceful back here. There's even a small jacuzzi, and during pool hours, you can order food from TGI Fridays.
Okay, you guys, this is the fitness center. It's really teeny. They have like 4 machines. Elliptical. Some free weights in the corner. A ball. If you want to get a quick workout in, you can.
In addition to the Ram's Head bar I showed you earlier, there's the Stagecoach bar. It's hidden up on the second floor and perfect if you want to get away from the casino crowd. There are poker machines and TVs as well. On the first level of the casino is the Winchester bar and Billy Joe's bar. It's the perfect spot to grab a drink while you watch the game. It's located in front of the Racing Sportsbook. At the Racing Sportsbook, you can bet on or catch all your favorite games on 60 big screen TVs while enjoying free cocktail service and snacks from their snack bar. They have pretty comfy seats as well. Sam's Town has a multi-level gaming floor with over 3,000 slots and video poker machines. It's huge. You'll find many popular games here like Buffalo, Wheel of Fortune, and Lightning and Dragon Link. They say that they have some of the loosest slots in town. If you've ever been here before, let me know if that was the case when you played here, because I didn't have much luck. As far as table games, Sam's Town offers double deck and 6-deck blackjack with $10 and $25 minimum bets, Fortune Pai-Gow, Progressive 3-card Pai-Gow, Progressive Ultimate Texas Hold'em, Roulette, and Craps. As we walk through the Mystic Falls Park so I can show you the beautiful front desk and general store, I wanted to mention that Sam's Town also has RV campgrounds. They're within walking distance from the casino, and they have special weekly and monthly rates, plus amenities like Wi-Fi, a pool, sauna, and dog park.
Okay guys, here are my final thoughts. So I went to that Mystic Park laser show during the day, and I was thinking, okay, it's cute. I'll probably show the footage of both day and night. But then when I went at night, it's actually really, really nice. Obviously, the lights look better when it's darker out because there's the ceiling of the atrium is glass. So when it's dark, it was actually really nice. Now, mind you, it's not Bellagio fountains, but it was nice. It was a nice show. And when you walk through the park at night, they have the trees wrapped in lights. So it's kind of like this walking through a Christmas, not Wonderland, but like a Christmas environment. It kind of makes you happy, and that you could sit at that bar right in the center and kind of enjoy the lights and the show. I really like that part. So if you are looking for a casino that's kind of laid back, it's large with a lot of machines, so you're not going to have anyone sitting next to you, and you kind of want to relax and not be bothered and gamble, this is your casino. If you're kind of on a budget, their restaurants are all pretty much fast food, with the exception of like a steakhouse, but it's grab and go. This is your casino, and the minimum bets for blackjack tonight were $10, so that's really affordable. I really like this casino as far as kind of being laid back, and you kind of want to have that Vegas experience, but not quite, the Strip where it's really crowded. And if you want to go to the Strip, it's 6 miles away, so not very far. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye.